Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a hot piping cup of coffee in your hand right now because we have the newest TP-Link Deco BE10000 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. It also goes by Deco BE63. They do make a 3-pack. If you do need a 3-pack, this is the 2-pack, and I believe they also just sell one. Just like all my videos, top link in the description box below will be this exact same TP-Link Deco BE10000 set where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done. Let's jump right on into it. Now, I am definitely going to be putting this to the test because I do live on a ranch and I do have Starlink, and so this is going to be great for my testing. This has 10 Gbps tri-band Wi-Fi, connects to over 200 devices, so all of your smart door locks, your Amazon devices, Google devices, etc. This is seamless AI-driven mesh, true 2.5 Gbps connectivity, works with all Deco models, supports all Wi-Fi generations and devices. This is also compatible with your Amazon Alexa device, your Google Home device, and your Home Shield devices. Okay, right off the top of the box here, we have our what looks to be accessories here. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we got our power plugs here, our Ethernet cable, and that is a RJ45 cable. Our quick installation guide, and the cable is right behind here. Nice white power adapters to match the devices, and each one of these are going to be the same, so we'll just take a look at one. Let's go ahead and remove that covering. Alrighty, so if you can tell the design of it here, they have a 7 for Wi-Fi 7. A beautiful looking device there, so if that's sitting on your countertop of your desk, that's not an ugly looking device. That's actually really nice. Not to mention, it is fairly small as well. You can see from my hands, I do have large hands, but it's not a very large device as well. So on the bottom, I won't show that, but there's a QR code and all that stuff on the bottom. That's sensitive information I won't have on the internet. But again, it almost looks like a larger, like a boom speaker type of a device. Flipping it around to the back, you have your WPS button here. You have your 4 2.5 Gbps Ethernet ports right here. You have a USB 3.0 port right here, and your power input right here. It does have soft pads on the bottom, so you won't scratch your desk, etc. And of course, the second one is the same exact thing, and if you get the 3-pack, same exact thing once again. Let's connect it. Alrighty, it was super simple to set it up. Now, a little tip for you here. Set up the first one. I'm actually using Starlink, but you can obviously use your router. You're going to plug it in, and you're also going to plug in the provided Ethernet cable in the back. I'm just using the top port. Power plug, of course, goes in the bottom, and it will start pulsing blue down here. Now that it is connected, that is green. It's a very subtle LED light down here. Now, again, because I am using Starlink, I have it plugged in. You would plug it in your router like this here. And then obviously what I can't show you is over the app, I customed where this is going to be. This is in my tractor shed, so I know exactly where this particular one is. I named my network, put in my password over the TP-Link app. Super simple to do, but set up this one first before you try another one. The one that, again, is connected to your cable modem router, or in my case, my Starlink router right here. Let's go set up the other one. Alrighty, make a long story short, I've moved it from the tractor barn because it's encased in metal, and we're spreading these out pretty far away. They're working excellent now. Let me show you what I've moved my Starlink and mesh system to. So I'm going to enclose this a little bit better. This was the old kind of chicken feed area here, but it is waterproofed to a certain level. And let's take a look here. So this is a wood enclosure, and it does get windy outside, but this tarp that I just removed definitely helps out a lot as well. There's my Starlink router right there. That is waterproofed, but because I am using the Ethernet cable into it, it does need to be enclosed because the back waterproof covering is exposed due to plugging it into my mesh system right here. So this is working absolutely fantastic in a wooden enclosure, and we're out here on a large compound. The first one is set up in the den way over here. That is a very long distance away, and the first one again is connected here. This in the app, this is the main one, and it's so super easy. I'm not going to show the app due to security, but in the app it is so easy to connect this particular mesh system as well as any other TP-Link Deco mesh systems. I'm going to show you another set I do have that I've installed in my shop, my house, So there's internet connectivity all over. So once again, this one is the main one connected to my router. And then my secondary is way over here. Probably should have got the 3-pack, but we're connecting. So let's go ahead and go behind me. Okay, this is again is a different system, but I'm able to connect. This won't be the permanent location because I'm in a remodel myself, but we're going all the way down to my Starlink and original mesh right here. And then again, the first one is way over here. Everything is connecting. I have this system in the 3-pack. This is also a TP-Link Deco. I don't know the exact model number, but it's definitely not as beefy as the ones we are reviewing for this particular video, but it is spreading it beautifully over the compound into my shop for my internet, my office, etc. Let's take a look at the secondary. Alrighty, forgive my ledge. The dog was kind of going at it, but we're going to redo that. This is my second one right here. Second one is plugged in, so easy to connect via the app. And the reason I have it on this ledge next to the window is I want to shoot it over to my shop, which I do Muay Thai boxing workouts, and I need good internet. So I'm going to set the third one up in the window of the shop because the actual shop is a full metal construction, and I'm going to have to place it in the window so they can connect to each other. Sometimes the metal siding on the shop does give interference, so just a little heads up on that one. So we're going to go window to window. That is easily a football field away over there, so we're going to go ahead and stream it on over there. Alrighty, now I actually can get internet, and forgive my shop. Everything's kind of in a remodeled state right now, but I can kickbox, and I've just tested it, and now I can finally get internet without putting my phone all the way over in the corner there. Sorry for the sunshine, but now we have the third one right here, shooting that way towards the office that I showed you for the second location. Alrighty, sports fans, let's go ahead and wrap it up. Now, I am saying compound, but technically the nicer house in the distance, my parents are my neighbors. We have a fence between us, and I bought the property next door. That's why I just call it a compound. It's spread over 15 acres, if you are wondering, so it's a very far distance. And so with that said, the system is doing absolutely fantastic. After I moved it away from the metal tractor shed, connecting beautifully, uploading YouTube videos, uploading anything I need to do. And out here in the sticks, that's what you got to do. You got to spread out your mesh system. If you want fast internet, you got to go Starlink out where I am. High-speed internet is probably, they stopped running cable maybe 5 minutes away, and I asked the guy, he said that he's not going to run any more cable for a while, so I was like, let's just jump on Starlink. Anyway, the TP Deco mesh system worked absolutely fantastic. Definitely a big thumbs up in my book regarding getting internet in my house, office, as well as their other mesh system to be able to shoot it over to my shop, working out with music. Now, most of you will not need that many systems. A 2-pack or a 3-pack of this system will do your big old square footage house just fine, but just giving you a heads up on that one. Once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same TP-Link mesh system where you guys can read more about it, pick it up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about, but if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, DIY house projects, cute puppy videos, and more. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next one. Take care for now. Bye-bye.